Hi everyone, today we're doing the messaging project. For this project, we have an actor and we have buttons. When you push the button, you want the actor to do what it says to do on the buttons. You're given 2 buttons to start with, but the requirement for the project is that you have 3 buttons. If you have 3 buttons and they all work appropriately, you'll get a 7 out of 10. To get a 10 out of 10, you need to add additional buttons. So 4 buttons would be an 8 out of 10, 5 buttons a 9 out of 10, and 6 buttons a 10 out of 10. You might want to, if you start getting more buttons, you might want to rearrange them so that, maybe line them up over on the side so that you have more room for them. That would be fine. Make sure they don't overlap, however, because it will interfere with each other. Okay, the dance button we already have for you, and all of the code is already here. We say when the actors clicked, we're going to broadcast dance. That was from this drop-down list also. This code down here makes it look like the button is being clicked. It gets bigger and smaller, so you'll want to put that together. First, we change the size by 10%, wait a little bit, and then it goes back down. So if I hit play and I click on that button, you'll see that it gets bigger and smaller. You'll also see that the actor dances, which is what we want to have happen. The code for the dancing is actually on the actor. So when I receive dance, I'm going to animate dance. So once you put that part together, that one will work just fine. We also have the fall button for you. All the code for the fall button is right here. When the actor's clicked, we want to broadcast fall. We're going to change our pen size, and not our pen size, our button size again to make it look like it's actually being clicked. But we do need to add code to the actor. So for the actor, we want to add, I'm going to go down here to animate. I'm going to do animate fall. So now when I click on that actor, he will fall down. If I click on dance, he'll get up and dance again. Now, I personally don't like that he falls down and he stays laying down like that. I like him to get back up. So you can add code to have him get back up. It's another animation block. I didn't mean to attach it there. An animation block, and you also want to put a wait block in so that you actually see him fall. So we're going to wait maybe a second, and then we're going to animate idle. Idle just means like stand around. So when I receive fall, he wants to animate fall, wait a second, then get back up. Hopefully this will work. Earlier, this code did not want to work for some reason. There. And he gets back up. You can make him stay down longer if you want by changing that weight. So that's 2 buttons, but we need more buttons. Normally I tell you to drag a button, an actor up here and copy it. That doesn't work well with these buttons with words on them. So we're going to actually click add an actor from our media library. I already did my search here, but you'll want to search button, B-U-T-T-O-N. And let's grab this yellow button. Now we have another button, but there are no words on it. Oops, I have to hit stop or else it won't let me move it. There are no words on it, so we want to put some words on that button. I'm also going to shrink it down a little bit so it's closer to the size of the other ones. And I will edit it. Once I go to edit, I'm going to click on my text here. I want to make sure my ink is black. My size should be about 40. I think the default is pretty big, so you'll want to change that to 40. Change your color to black. And let's think of something else we want him to do. Maybe we want him to jump. I'll type jump there. Hit save. Go back. And now we should have a button that says jump on it, and it does not because I think I forgot to click outside of the box. Jump. Now I click outside of the box, so this actually says jump on it, hit save. And go back. Now my button says jump on it. That's an important step, and I always forget to do that. So now I have a button that says jump. I have no code. So we can copy our code from our fall button or from our dance button. Again, the easiest way to copy that is just to drag code over. Oops. Drag it all over and drop it on my jump button. Now, it's still on my fall button. That didn't go away. It's still there. But now on my jump button, I have the same code. The only thing is, I don't want my jump button to broadcast fall. I want it to broadcast jump. And that isn't a choice here. So if it's not a choice, you need to type it. By the way, you'll notice laugh is a choice, so maybe I want to make a laugh button. I do jump. I have to go to my actor, and I want him to jump, so I need to have code that says, when I receive jump, animate jump. I can copy this code here using my copy paste function, and I have a duplicate. Now I want to select jump. Notice it's there now. That's because I typed it once already. Once you've typed it, you select it from your other place. Now we want to animate jump. If I hit play, he should jump. Yay! So that's how you make your new buttons. It's not too hard. You can copy code quite a bit. Like I said, we already have some started for laugh. So I would suggest to make a button for laugh. That is it. Good luck. Again, 3 buttons to get a 7 out of 10, 6 buttons to get a 10 out of 10. Have a good day.